Hello friends, welcome to my channel and new video. Today we will review about upcoming MG RC6. It expected launched in July 15, 2023. MG RC6 price. If launched, expect MG to price it in the range of around 18 rupees lakh to 20 rupees lakh mark ex showroom. MG RC6 engine and transmission. Under the hood, it is expected to come with a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine that makes 147 PS of power and 245 Nm of torque. Transmission options could include a 6-speed manual and a CVT. MG RC6 features. In terms of features, it gets a sunroof, 2 connected screens for the infotainment unit and the instrument cluster, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, leatherette touch points, and contrast stitching. It also gets connected car tech that allows real-time location sharing, remote lock, unlock along with voice command to control AC, windows, sunroof and music. MG RC6 rivals. If launched in India, the MG RC6 would go up against the likes of the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla Altis, Hyundai Elantra, and Skoda Octavia. Specification of MG RC6. Fuel type diesel. Engine displacement 1,498 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type manual. Body type sedan. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.